In today's video, what I want to do is show you how you can create your own designs or upload any designs that you already have on to Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand platform. So once you make your designs, whether you upload them or you make them up here and you make your product, then you can go ahead and sell it to people, and Printful will take care of getting the actual product shipped out to everybody. No money is going to come out of your pocket. In fact, I'm going to be showing you exactly what it looks like once I start creating. I want to say thanks to Printful for sponsoring this video. I'm on product templates right now, and I got a couple of templates up here already, 3 to be exact. So I want to go ahead and create a new product. So go ahead, press plus, and I go ahead, and you see we got a couple of different things here, not just attire, but you also have home and living things as well, like pillows. What I want to do is go with something relatively simple though. So I want to go with men's clothing. I'm going to go ahead and choose just a shirt. Actually, I'm going to choose a hoodie. So from here, I want to go ahead and just go with the first hoodie right here, $25, the unisex hoodie. And the first thing we can do is upload or drag a design here. That is going to be what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and drag my design over. 4 things right here: a record, plus, stop, and then a microphone. So we have options of whether we can move it over to the left, to the right, minimize it, maximize it, rotate it if I want. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Now you can see we start with the front, but you also have the back, outside label, inside label, left sleeve, right sleeve, and then we got a wrist right here as well. So we can go ahead and start by saving this design. And then on this side, we have other things like that. You see the product right here. You got uploads, you got text right here. So we can actually add text to this. Go ahead and move it around. So hey, if I didn't like just having my own design in there and I wanted to add a little bit of text to help spice it up, then there you go, just did it. And then you could go ahead and go over to the actual text, press that to go to each specific spot. You can duplicate it, you can delete it, same thing. Go ahead, delete these, press it on the side. But you have others. You can see right here on the ready to use quotes, you guys see more right here. And you can use a lot of others as well, along with pretext. So yeah, if you wanted to go ahead and just add something to give what you already have a little bit more flair, or if you wanted to go ahead and start something up for yourself, you want to create your own design using Printful itself, then you can do that. You got premium backgrounds right here. You got quick designs that I kind of went past. You got peace, say yes, make it happen. You got some clip art right here. And of course you got your layers. So if you want to reposition it to have one in the front and one in the back, you can do that. That would be the easiest way to do it. Is to drag it, go above or below. We'll go ahead and delete this. So in general, I think this is a pretty easy way for you to make your own designs using Printful. I want to go ahead and stop there. Go ahead and go to save template. And you can see product template was saved. So So the next thing I want to do is go to my store and I want to add a product. Now what we can do from here is start with brand new products, but instead of doing that, I want to go ahead and go to my product I just messed with. So we're going to start with this. We can add our own variants as far as how many colors we want to have for this particular design. And I want to add as many as I can, as many different colors as possible. You can only have up to 100 different variants. That includes color, and it also includes the size. So with that being said, in total you can only have up to 100. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. I think that that's nice. Proceed to the mockups. So you can create your own mockup or you can do a basic mockup. I want to go ahead and mess with the basic. You can see the different images we have. I think this one's pretty nice, so I'll go ahead with this one and continue with that. Second to last thing we need to do is go and do the product details. So it starts with the product title, which is unisex hoodie. So I want to change that. Press play. And then you got a description, in which case is right here. We got a standard description. We can go ahead and go with a playful one, an on trend, or quirky one instead, 4 different ones. Or you can go ahead and delete this out and create your own description from scratch. We go down to benefits of on-demand manufacturing. We can add that info or we can add it out. This is basically what it says right here. Then you got the European GPSR compliance. You don't have to have it, so I'm not going to add it. And then product visibility, we're going to have that checked and then press continue. Last thing we're going to do is make sure we understand what our product pricing is. So on the side we got variant, which is all sizes. We got Printful's price, so you can look at that as the base price. And then we got the retail price over here, which is somewhere between $33 to $38. And then the estimated earnings from that retail price minus Printful's price equals our price. I'm going to go ahead and submit this to the store. Now you can see that press play is now generating print files and mockups. And once it's done, I'll be able to see it on the store. So going from here, let's go to view my store. And now you can see that we have 3 different designs on the content creator store. So hopefully this helped you out. And if it did, why don't you make sure to leave a like? Why don't you also follow Y Tutorials? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.